Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today I've got something special to show you guys. It's a couple of puzzles. If you guys have seen my my game room tour, you've noticed that I like collecting Rubik's cubes and V cubes and things like that. I was at my local mall the other day and I found these two items that I would like to add on to my collection. So let's take a look what I got here. So first one I found was this guy here. Now I have no idea what this is called because I've never actually seen one before, but if you guys know what to call it, leave a comments down below because I would like to know what it's actually called. I think we got my knife. And there it is. Now, I am not a professional cuber by any means. I can... Oh, look at this. I just noticed that one of the stickers are actually out of place. That's unfortunate. Oh well. What are you gonna do, right? But anyway, what I was saying is I'm not a professional cuber. I can solve some of these puzzles, but it just takes me a really long time to actually solve them. So anyway, this is like a triangle, and you can see that it's a triangle within a triangle. So if you look at it in this direction here, it actually looks like there's a triangle over here, and there's a full triangle over here, and there's another triangle over here. Then you look from the bottom, the exact same thing. So this bottom part, these sections actually rotate. Let's see what else here. The top part also rotates. That's pretty cool. This section here also rotates, and I'm guessing this bottom part rotates as well. So yeah, that's pretty neat. Am I gonna scramble this? Probably not. It's probably just gonna go on display, and that's basically it. So that was the first one that I found, and then the second one I know what's called. The second one is actually a Mega Mix that I found. So here it is. Of course, it's in Chinese all the way around. So there's a picture of the actual Mega Mix there. So let's open this guy up and take a look what this actually looks like. So what's this here? Are these actual instructions that tells you how to actually solve this thing? No. Huh. It actually might be. It's too bad I can't read it. But it's got pictures and stuff on there. So I might actually just take a photo of this and actually put it up on the video here, so you guys can take a better look at it. So yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll take a picture of it and get you guys a better look at this. And then here's the actual Mega Mix itself. Here it is. Huh, and somebody looks like somebody's been playing around with it, 'cause it's, wow, this rotates really nice actually. Wow, this is actually it rotates really smoothly. So here's the Megamix. Am I gonna try to scramble this? Maybe I will, maybe I will not. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, there it is. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the two new puzzles that I got, and that's basically it. So just a reminder that I am giving out a Nintendo Switch, looking for 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and there'll be more videos of things like this down the future as I find them. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and until the next video, thank you.